na gusto natin magbago yung buhay natin. Pero, hindi natin magawa. I've done that also. Nung hindi pa na-encounter sa Jesus, sabi ko, I'm sick and tired of smoking. I wanna quit from smoking. Hindi ko mabago yung sarili ko. The moment I will decide, I will quit smoking, immediately I will buy another stick and smoke. Why? Something within me that triggers me that I cannot get out of this bondage of sin up until when I have encountered the Lord Jesus Christ and I recognize Him. The next day, July 17 of 1984, the next day, less than 24 hours, I was delivered from the power of nicotine over my life. And when they have heard Jesus Christ say, throw your net on the other side, their encounter with the resurrected Christ allows them to obey Him. Hindi naging mapakahirap para sa akin na paligdan ang paninigarilyo dahil because I already encountered Him in my life. And I recognize that only Him that can help me out, get out of this bondage. Yung mga alagad ni Jesus, they have tried so hard to put that net into the wrong spot, and they caught nothing. When Jesus asked them, throw it to the other side, and when they obeyed, they were able to experience the provisions of so much fish that they have hold after all.